Okay, so we're over in this Taipa area. We're basically like in this Taipa village area, but we're also next to the Cotai. So this is Galaxy Casino right here. That's kind of new. This is originally where the ocean used to come in right here. So this is where the fish port used to be. I guess it's more like oysters. But anyways, we are kind of on the periphery of this used to be the edge of the island, and the ocean used to be right there, but now it's casinos, of course. But we're also on the hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So here we are on the periphery part, and it says right there, it says Villa de Taipa, Taipa village. So boats used to come in right there, and then it would probably, I think this used to be like a, was it oysters, I think was kind of the more dominant thing, but I'm sure there was fish as well and everything else. But this was really well known for oysters. And what we're gonna do is, and now there's also a train station right there too, and kind of beautiful lighting in here. And what we're gonna do is go down this particular street, which is to our right, and that goes into Taipa village. And we're gonna highlight that in this video. And that street's called Rua de Regedor. Got this giant rock right here. It's kind of cool as well. And we are going to focus on our target street, but yeah, there's Galaxy and the station, so that's called Peacock Station. And this street is called Rua de Peacock, but that's not our target street today. But that is Peacock Station, and that's kind of dividing line between Cotai and the Taipa village right here. So we are going to walk straight ahead, and we have La Cuisine Italiana. So that's a well-known restaurant. Usually see lots of guests through the windows eating Italian food. And then this one is Spanish cuisine, and it's closed at the moment, but it's open at lunchtime, so it's not permanently closed. A little bit of a dark spell there, and then we're going to keep on going all the way down to kind of this core busy street area. Rua de Cunha is where we're going to go, which is a massive tourist draw. And we're just going to walk all the way down on our way. Frangi's Grill has some. This one right here is Litoral. That's a popular Macanese restaurant. And the line for Litoral is literally out the door. And let's see, Cafe Leon is next. So yeah, Litoral was a Portuguese one. So we had a Portuguese, I think Frangi, I think is some kind of, I think Frangi is chicken. So there's our street. So I forget what cuisine that's from. This one's a Korean one. So this one is king chicken. It's written in Korean as well. Well, hanshik, roast chicken. So it's Korean roast chicken, chanmun chung. So anyways, it's a roast chicken place. But they got other stuff on their menu as well. And that goes right into Taipa village. That's the whole Taipa village area there, but we're gonna just continue walking down our street. This one is really popular. Has fresh foods. Let me just walk over that way. So it's all fresh. So yeah, fresh from the ocean. Okay, let's keep on walking down. And next is kind of Hong Kong, Macau. It's kind of a Macau, traditional Macau style. Michelin ice cream, Michelin awards, ice cream place, Gelato. Gelato is I think it's Portuguese and Italian for ice cream. Pharmacies are really popular. Probably mainland Chinese tourists, probably. Guy yelling into the phone real loud. But actually, let me see. Massage place, we're gonna keep on going down. So now our crowds are gonna keep getting fuller all the way down to, all the way to Rua de Cunha. So this is another ice cream place. Then we got a McDonald's as well. So let's kind of do a 360 while we kind of get out of the crowd of people a little bit. So that's up in Taipa Grande up there. Scola, school. Haagen-Dazs. And now we have a little bit of space. You can walk without being in a crowd. Not so many people in McDonald's, that's good. That means that they're enjoying the better foods that we have to offer. Taipa Village. Cafe Eskimo is kind of, I guess it's kind of quintessential Macanese maybe, because it's everywhere. It's a chain. Actually, I was just eating there yesterday. This one you can sit outside. And it's also kind of Hong Kong, Macau style. So that kind of has a typical style to it. I like the decor of these ones. 7-Eleven. Regedor. And over there is OTT, Old Taipa Tavern. It's kind of where a lot of expats will usually hang out at. I don't see so many people right now yet. Seafood hot pot to the left. Let's just do a 360. We'll let the group of people go by. Okay. So let's just kind of keep on going down. So we got a hot pot place. To the left is a parking garage. I guess we'll have to go a little bit faster. Okay, so let me see. This one's called Good Luck. So that's Chinese cuisine. Oh, it's almost empty. I think this one's brand new. Looks completely empty. But maybe later it'll be popular with mainland Chinese tourists. Some corn. Okay. So over on that side you can see this little thing over there. So it's called Drunken Tower because there's a bar on this side called Drunken Tower. So it highlights over there, but actually this is the bar. You can sit outside as well, and it's a pretty nice venue. Let's see here. So that means let's take a look here. So yeah, really nice venue. Got a lion dance up there. So it's a bar and also a restaurant as well. Cafe Taipa. That's kind of interesting. Clothing shop. So there's a Japanese ramen shop and a Thai restaurant. I've often felt that this street right here has way more international foods than the casinos. And it's quite popular too. This one's quite popular. Porto. So, okay. Let me just kind of check everything. So there's a, I just want to check that one right here. So this one's Porto, which is a Portuguese restaurant. So we got a Thai, Portuguese. That one's very popular, as you can see. This one is Chinese. This one is, I don't know what that one is. It's definitely Chinese, but there's a lot of variation with Chinese as well. So, this one you can see everywhere in mainland China, so it's kind of interesting because everything is 100% in Chinese, and then they also using the yuan. So that's kind of interesting too. So they have everything in like 25 yuan, 28 yuan, and I see that a lot when I go to mainland China. I'll see all these fruits that you can buy, and also those drinks too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Pork chop bun. So this is kind of a fusion style. Circle K. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. So Galaxy is at the end of the street right there. Galaxy Casino. Pizza, coffee, a beef opal. I got milk tea kind of stuff. Dumbo is a Portuguese restaurant. There's a Mexican one and a Thai one right there as well. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go across the street. So here we go. Good. So we're gonna try to go, let's see if we can get across the street here. I'm gonna try to go across. All right. So we're gonna keep on going down this way. We got a beef pao here, and then we're gonna take a left, go down this way, go all the way down. Got a ton of bubbles here. And these are all for construction, so they put the bamboo will be for up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around like that, and we're going to come to the end of the street, and then we basically, our goal is to get all the way to Cuisine at nighttime. And this is busy Cuisine. So we're going to be doing a separate video for this one, but this is massively popular. So we basically walk down Regedor, and then later we'll do this one. So stay tuned for that. That's a very popular street. So Regedor basically takes you from the casinos, and it takes you into this busy street. A lot of this kind of artwork as well. And as you can see, it's Venetian is all the way down to the end. So Venetian casinos down that way, and then on the other side we had Galaxy Casino as well. So we're just going to go back there, and then we're going to end our video for Regedor. So at least you kind of got a little bit of a taste for things. Okay. So that's our street right there, Regedor. Galaxy, all the way down to the end. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.